Welcome to the Insider Tips. In the last episode of Insider Tips, I started to look at operations manuals. I'm going to dive further in what you should consider for your operations manual and its checklists. Why do you need an operations manual full of checklists? Consistency. With this step-by-step system in place, you'll ensure you and your employees will retain consistency and the chance to show real pride in your work. So you might ask, what should I have checklists for? The simple answer, everything. When the outdoor lights turn on, what fruit should be in the bowl at reception and what it should look like. What bills have to be paid and when. What items are recycled. How the towels should be folded. How the uniform should be worn. You get the idea. Everything should have a checklist with diagrams if it'll help. If you have this system in place and work it properly, there will rarely be any errors. It works. I should mention here that if your operations manual is complete and you work it properly, it's worth its weight in gold. But that does not mean it has to be set in stone. It has to be treated like a living, breathing entity. If your employees are working off their checklists and they come with you because there's something they don't like, you ask them, okay, how would you change it? And if they come up with a way that'll improve the service or save you money, change it. And after you change it, reward your employee. This can be done financially, gift certificates, or time off if possible. The only guideline you should have, any criticism is constructive and with an alternative option. Well, that's it for today's tip. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future tips. And make sure to join one of our groups that best serves your needs. You can subscribe at KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/sign up for insider tips. And to find your best group option, visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/private-groups. Until next time, have a fun day.